Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to make a street elote with all those amazing toppings, and yes, perfect for this type of weather. I am sure you're going to really enjoy this Mexican elote, and the toppings, amazing. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are our few ingredients: 2 tablespoons of sugar and the corn. I have 8 corns here. And let's get started. Let's make these street corn my way. And here, let me show you how they look. I'm gonna start getting all the casing out. All the leaves I'm going to remove, and the hair. Remove it really good and continue. This is what I really love making. I remember as a child, my mom used to make these street corns a different way, but now we are adding more toppings. My mom used to just add mayonnaise, cotija cheese, and chili right on the top. And now we add so many different toppings. And here, remember, you need to rinse them really good, making sure that everything is nice and rinsed. Once you have them like this, well then, we are ready. Let's get the 2 tablespoons of sugar and let's go to the outdoor kitchen where I have water boiling. I'm adding the 2 tablespoons of sugar and adding my corn directly into the hot boiling water. I am going to cook it for about 40 minutes until the corn is nice and moist. Look at this. Let's cover it and I'll see you in a little bit. I am going to continue by showing you the toppings I'm going to use. I have hot Cheetos and regular cheese Cheetos. Yes, those are going to be the topping. Tajín with lemon, cotija cheese, sour cream daisy, and mayo. This is everything we're going to use. Of course, I am going to just make 2 corn street corn with this on this video. The rest I'm going to save until my whole family is here. I added 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. I have the cotija cheese and the Tajín with lemon. And now this is the best part. Getting a little bit, I am going to be adding a little bit of the cheese Cheetos. I'm adding about half a cup and I'm going to smash away. With this measurement, you could really cover 2 corns. Let me show you. Once it's nice and crumbly, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. And on this plate, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the cotija cheese. Remember, we're adding half a cup of the cheese Cheetos, and now we're going to add the cotija cheese, 2 tablespoons. Oh my gosh, this topping is so delicious, so amazing, that I'm sure you guys are going to love. Look at this. I'm going to continue with the hot Cheetos. I'm going to do the same procedure. Half a cup of the hot Cheetos. I'm going to smash away. I'm using the same little bag. Once it's nice and smashed, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. And to this plate, I'm adding the same thing. 2 tablespoons of the cotija cheese. Be generous with your cotija cheese. Once this is done, well, the toppings are ready. We are ready, just waiting. We are just waiting for the corn to be ready. Cotija cheese, Cheeto cheese, the hot Cheetos, and of course in our little plates, everything's in there. The hot Cheetos, the cheese, the cotija cheese, the cheese Cheetos, the cotija cheese, sour cream mayonnaise mixture, and the Tajín with lemon. And now let's check on our corn. I hope this corn is ready to go. And it is. I am ready to remove every single one. When you're cooking corn, do not leave them in the water because they're going to release all the flavor in the water, and that's exactly what you don't want. You just cook your corn and remove them immediately after they're done from the liquid. And just let them rest for a couple minutes before you start adding your toppings. Look at this. This looks amazing and it smells delicious. Once inside the home, you could really see how hot the corn is. Look at this. I'm going to leave them for just a little bit until they come to room temperature. And here I have the skewers, the little sticks that I'm going to add to my corn. One side is really pointy and the other is flat. So now let's get started. Let's start preparing our two corns. Look at this. I'm going to smash them a little bit and then they're ready to go. One more time. Look at the little stick. It's nice and pointy, and that's the one that goes right on the bottom. And then you're ready to go. My toppings are here. I can't wait to start adding all the toppings to the corn and to enjoy them. In this hot weather, you really want to enjoy something easy, something delicious, something that your family is really going to love. There's no need to go out and start looking for someone that's selling the street corn when you can make it at home your way. And here I'm ready to add the mixture of the sour cream and mayonnaise. I'm going to cover it really good. Everything nice and covered, and now I am ready to start adding the topping. I started with the cheese Cheetos. I'm going to start by laying some on the top, but let me tell you, I think that the easiest ways to do it is to just pour it on the plate and then rub the corn right on the top, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do so I don't make a mess. Look at this. I think this is the best way to cover and coat your street elote. So chunky, so delicious. And of course, do not throw the rest away. Put it in the plate and then you're ready to cover one more corn with the cheese mixture. And now I'm going to cover one more street elote. I'm going to add the hot Cheeto mixture and Cotija mixture, and let me tell you, it's time to party, time to enjoy your beautiful family, and this is the best way to do it. Easy, delicious, not time consuming at all, and of course don't forget to add your Tajín with lemon right on the top. My mouth is watering because I can't wait to enjoy. And I'm going to reserve the rest of the ingredient. Look at this. And now that I have everything ready, I'm going to add the Tajín with lemon right on the top. Look at this. And to give it a little more flavor, I'm going to add some parsley right on the top so you could really see the little green parsley on the top of your street corn. Did you love this recipe? Please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. I can't wait to enjoy, and I hope you enjoy it too, and you make it for your beautiful family. I'll see you in just a little bit. completely done with these Mexican elotes, street elotes. Of course, I added so many ingredients and so delicious ingredients that I know you guys are going to love. Of course, you could add some butter right on the top, but I made them the way I enjoy them here with my beautiful family. And you know I love spicy food, so this is the one I'm going to taste. My mouth is watering. It's taking me far, far away when my mother used to make this amazing and delicious street elote. Well, this is the part I love and enjoy. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The Cheetos, the spicy Cheetos, and the combination of the Tajín and lemon, just perfection made at home. So delicious. When you make it at home with love, everything comes out perfect. Of course, and with a delicious and amazing tepache made at home with lots of love that you already have on my channel. Excuse me. A pineapple fermented drink that I know you guys are going to love. Well, this is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes and sharing with you what I enjoy with my beautiful family. Like, subscribe, and share. And before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. I will stay enjoying this amazing street elote. See you soon. Bye-bye.